Hello, today we are speaking about writing an article. In this video we will look through the structure of article, you will do some tasks about article, preparing for it, and after it you will write your own article about news feed. So, let's go. Okay, before we start speaking about structure, first of all I will ask you to pick one of these words. I mean, you should pick 5 of them. And then you have to invent a headline for each of them. For example, you write an article, you want to you want from your readers to pay attention on a headline to read this article. So you took these words from that word, then you invent for 5 of them a headline that would attract attention of your reader. And after it, you write an opening sentence of your article. It is the first sentence of your article that presents a main idea of your text. And in the end, you have to write one sentence summary, so of body part. So, for example, for the start, you took 5 words from the board, then you invent a headline for each of them, as if you write an article for each of them. So you write an opening sentence of your article that would express main idea, and then you write one sentence summary of body part of your article. So in the first paragraph of your article for a news feed, you have to present sentences that would lead to your topic. So you can ask questions to your readers, for example, several questions using indirect question or question text in first paragraph. It will attract the attention of your reader and he will continue to read your article after. So in paragraph 1, you have to write sentences that would be described in the body part. So in paragraph 2, you have to present main idea of your article. So for example, in paragraph 1 you describe several things, but the topic was common. And in paragraph 2 you describe some main idea, main reason of your article, why you are writing it. Here you can also express your opinion about some things. For example, you can use such useful phrases like, in my opinion, I'm concerned, or personally. So this is paragraph 2. So main idea of your article and the whole paragraph about one thing. So in paragraph 3, you have to present some additional points of your article. For example, you have described the main point in paragraph 2, and you have some things that you have to mention too, but they're not so important. But anyway, they have to be in your article. So you present them in paragraph 3, some additional points, and for contrast with paragraph 2, for example, in paragraph 2 you can describe some advantages of something in a news feed, or positive things about last news or something else. And in paragraph 3 you can suggest some contrasts and some additional points. And for contrast, you can use such useful phrases like, however, on the other hand, or so you can use these useful phrases for contrast. So in paragraph 4, you restate some points from paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, so you have to do some summary of your article in this paragraph, and also you have to restate and revise your opinion from this paragraph in here. So you can present your arguments through useful phrases like in addition, moreover, if you have something to add here, and that's all with the structure. So imagine that you're writing a paragraph of your article and you have to predict some future events according to the last news in internet. So you have to first of all write a paragraph with prediction, of course. Then you have to use future in the past from your model. So you have to look at the pages with grammar from your model and use the sentences. So, and the third one is take areas from task 1. So, you can write about areas, different areas. It can be sport, it can be business, it can be art. So, you can look at these words and choose one area and make some predictions about this area according to the last news. So, imagine that you are some kind of journalist that writing about future events according to the last news. So, write a paragraph with prediction, use future in the past in your sentences, and take areas from task 1. So, I mean that word. Okay. So, now your task before you write your own article. So, first of all, you have to write an introduction of your future article. Okay, so in this introduction, you have to use indirect questions again from your model and question text too. So, or you can use them both or something one of them. And also, you have to use words from task 1. I mean, those words. So,